So, fully open, this vise and anvil is just 4.5 inches long. Now, I'm not going to do a smallest competition because I know Scoutcrafter can beat me, because I sent him an engineer's vise that was about an inch long, which is actually smaller than the width of this vice's jaws. 1.25 inches they are. But it is small, and I wonder just how long this will take and if that'll make it more of a problem. Let's find out, shall we? Oops, sorry, got distracted there for a minute by a proper vice. So people, which bit do you think I'm going to start cleaning first? That little spring, the draw screw, or the main body? Well, if you guessed main body, you're right. There's a reason for this. I want to see what it looks like with just the top polished clean. Right, I didn't like it, and I forgot to take a picture to see if you didn't like it as well. Considering the amount of springs I clean a year, I reckon I'm an expert on spring cleaning, and this is the easiest way to clean a spring. Okay, so putting it back together, you want to put the spring on the screw before you start screwing the screw in. And you want to push the screw back so that with the angle of the jaw open, you can line it up with the hole straight and not cross thread it. Now this is a bit too clean for me. I'm really hoping that some oil will darken it up. We remember what it looked like to start with, and what it looks like now. I'm going to say